Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Dodge Journey and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is not powering up or if there is no sound coming from the speakers. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Okay, now all of the radio fuses will be located in a small fuse box under the glove box. So I'll turn on the flash on my phone and try to show you. So just behind this cover, and as you can see on top of the cover there is a small fuse diagram. Now to lower this cover you just have to detach it here on this side and pull it down. So try to record, you see, so just use your thumb here and unclip it actually and pull it down, and then you have access to all of the fuses. So the first fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number F126, which is a 25 amp fuse located up here, responsible for power to audio amplifier, and you will check this fuse in case there is no sound coming from the speakers. Now the main radio fuse, it's a fuse number F128, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located right here, and you will check this one if the radio is not powering up at all. So this one right here. And one more fuse worth checking, it's fuse number F129, which is again 15 amp blue fuse located here, responsible for power to video or a DVD if equipped. So if you have a DVD player, it's not working, you will check this guy. Okay, now in case all of these mentioned fuses prove to be good, then you'll have to dig deeper, do more research, possibly pull out the radio, check all connections behind the radio, check all the wiring behind the rubber sleeve at the driver door, and test the speakers and things like that. But quite usually the main issue why the radio or screen are not working is the fuse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.